In this video, you'll learn how to recover your wallet on Phantom. By following these steps, you will successfully regain access to your wallet using your secret recovery phrase. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet in your browser. You can do this by navigating to the relevant extension or website where the Phantom wallet is available. Make sure the wallet interface loads completely before proceeding. Once the wallet interface is visible, look for the option labeled Import Existing Wallet. This is usually prominently displayed on the screen. Click on this option to initiate the recovery process. Next, you will be prompted to enter your secret recovery phrase. This is the 12-word phrase you saved when you initially created your wallet. Carefully type each word in the exact order they were given to you, as any mistake will prevent access. After entering your secret recovery phrase, click on the Continue button. This action will verify the phrase and allow you to proceed to the next step. Ensure that you have entered the phrase correctly, as the system will check for accuracy. At this stage, you will need to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong password that you can remember, but is also secure enough to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Enter the password in the designated field. Once you have entered your new password, click on Confirm to finalize the wallet setup. This action will complete the recovery process, and you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your wallet has been successfully restored. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.